The lack of access to food in some parts of the world emanates from A. Educational inequality, B. Poor transport system, E. Economic inequality, D. Low development of natural resources, E. Lack of manpower. Now, whenever you hear about lack of access to food, accessibility to food is made possible when there is good road, when there is good transport system. So when there is lack of good road, there will be, when there is poor transport system, you're going to have lack of access to good lack of access to food. Now, poor transport system is an agricultural problem. This is a very big agricultural problem. Poor transport system is an agricultural problem, which brings about lack of access to food. So this agricultural problem causes this lack of access to food. This is prevalent in areas which are not adequately served with good transport network, which is necessary for the distribution of perishable food to consumers. So when you have things like perishable food, you need good transport system for you to get it to the final consumers. So without good transport, there will be lacking of this in such areas. Then this leads to farmers producing what is just enough for themselves and the family. So when there is poor transportation, you find out that farmers will produce subsistent farming, which actually means producing for just the family and for themselves. So all this happened due to poor transport system. So when the problem of poor transport system is addressed, lack of access to food will be addressed in some parts of the world. Thank you.